Omicron is a new variant that's currently sweeping the rest of the world, with positive cases of the Omicron strain reported in 87 countries, including the United Kingdom, United States and several European states. First detected in South Africa, medical professionals have claimed the symptoms differ from the Delta variant COVID symptoms, making it even more important for the public to recognize and understand what Omicron symptoms are. What are the symptoms of Omicron COVID variant? Patients who have tested positive for Omicron have reported symptoms of fatigue, a scratchy throat, runny nose, headache and other body aches and pains. You should get vaccinated even if you've previously had COVID-19. While people who recover from COVID-19 may develop some natural immunity to the virus, we do not yet know how long it lasts or how well you are protected. Vaccines offer more reliable protection. The most important thing you can do is reduce your risk of exposure to the virus. Make sure to protect yourself and your loved ones. Wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth. Make sure that your hands are clean when you put on and remove your mask. Keep a physical distance of at least 1 meter from others. Avoid poorly ventilated or crowded spaces. Open windows to improve ventilation indoors. Wash your hands regularly. When it's your turn, get vaccinated. WHO-approved COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective.